Okay, so I changed the coil packs. That is where your ticking's coming from this side. Both of these lifters, the camshaft looks good. It looks decent in comparison to the other side. But if you look at this side, very loose, and it's destroyed. That one's destroyed on that cylinder. This one's destroyed on that cylinder. These are magnets, so it's collecting metal. That's all metal. There's metal on that one, metal on the other side, and they all have sensors. This one bolts between there. So that sensor reads these two camshafts. That sensor over there reads between these two. The collective metal between the two is a lot of metal, and it's coming from this bearing that goes out. That bearing has made a groove there, a groove there, and a groove here. These two camshafts need to be replaced. All of the rockers and the lifters underneath all those lifters slash valve adjusters. So there's 24 on this side, 24 on that side, and these two camshafts, I believe they're like $400 a piece. That will fix the ticking, and then you'll need multiple quick oil changes after that to get all the metal shavings out of the system. And yeah, that is the problem.